Best AI skills to learn in 2025. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing the world faster than ever. By 2025, AI won't just be an advantage, it will be a necessity. Whether you want to make money online, start a business, or future-proof your career, learning AI skills is the best investment you can make right now. So, what are the top AI skills that will keep you ahead of the curve in 2025? Stay tuned, because skill number 5 could make you rich. Skill 1. Prompt engineering, the key to unlocking AI's power. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Bard are powerful, but do you know how to make them work like a pro? That's where prompt engineering comes in. Why is prompt engineering important? It helps you get accurate, high-quality responses from AI. You can generate SEO-friendly blog posts, sales copies, and even full-fledged books with just one command. AI automation tools rely on prompts to function efficiently. Where can you learn prompt engineering? OpenAI's ChatGPT Prompt Guide. Free courses on deeplearning.ai, and experimenting with AI tools like MidJourney, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai. Mastering prompt engineering can help you land high-paying jobs, start an AI-powered side hustle, or even create your own AI-based business. Skill 2. AI automation and no-code AI tools. Imagine running a business that works 24/7 without you lifting a finger. That's exactly what AI automation can do for you. Using tools like Zapier, Make, and OpenAI's APIs, you can automate social media posting, set up AI chatbots for customer support, and generate and schedule content with AI tools. And the best part? You don't need to be a coder. No-code AI tools like Bubble.io and Adalo allow anyone to build AI-powered apps without writing a single line of code. This skill is in high demand, with businesses willing to pay big bucks to automate their workflows. Skill 3. AI-powered SEO and digital marketing. SEO and marketing have changed forever with AI. If you know how to use AI to rank #1 on Google or grow a YouTube channel, you have a goldmine in your hands. Some of the best AI tools for SEO and marketing include Surfer SEO AI-powered content optimization for top Google rankings, Jasper AI that writes blog posts, ad copies, and social media captions, TubeBuddy and VidIQ AI-driven YouTube growth hacks. By mastering AI-powered SEO, you can rank blogs and websites faster, create viral content, and run profitable digital marketing campaigns. With the rise of AI-driven search engines, SEO experts who leverage AI will dominate the online space in 2025. Skill 4. AI-generated content and video editing. Did you know AI can now create Hollywood-level videos in minutes? With tools like Runway ML, Pictory AI, and Synthesia, you can create faceless YouTube videos with AI-generated avatars, edit videos 10 times faster using AI automation, and turn text into engaging short-form content for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And the best part? No expensive equipment, no professional editing skills needed. If you learn AI video creation, you can start a profitable YouTube automation channel, offer AI video editing services to influencers and businesses, and monetize AI-generated content with AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. This skill is booming in 2025, and AI-powered creators will be unstoppable. Skill 5. AI development and machine learning. For those who want to go deeper into AI, learning machine learning and AI development is the ultimate game changer. AI developers are in high demand, and salaries can reach $150,000 or more per year. Where should you start? Learn Python and TensorFlow for AI model training. Explore Google Vertex AI and OpenAI's API to build AI-powered apps. Take courses on deep learning and neural networks on platforms like Coursera and Udemy. With these skills, you can build your own AI tools and apps, land high-paying AI developer jobs, and start an AI-powered SaaS business. If you're serious about long-term success in AI, this is the skill to master. Bonus skill: AI-powered business and monetization. What if you could use AI to make money online 24/7? Here are some AI-powered business ideas for 2025. Start a ChatGPT-powered writing agency, create and sell AI-generated YouTube videos, build AI chatbots for businesses, and monetize AI with affiliate marketing and automation. AI isn't just about jobs, it's about creating opportunities. The earlier you start, the more you can capitalize on AI's growth. The future belongs to those who embrace AI. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, learning AI skills now will put you ahead of 99% of people. Which AI skill are you most excited to learn? Comment below. Want more AI and tech insights? Subscribe now and hit the bell icon.